Hi guys and welcome to this educational video for the day. So in this video I'll be talking about the trade what I did today in intraday trading. Okay, so today I have traded on Havels. So I'll be showing you where I took the entry, exit and everything. So watch the video till the end. Okay, and also if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader and to make you take a good profitable trades. And not only that, the course prices are very reasonably priced. And once you join us, you get personal support with the live market guidance as well. So you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. Okay, so now let me show you the live trade what I did today. So guys, right now I'm buying Havels in the market level now around 1560 to 1561. I just buy it now in the market level and I have bought it now, and now the time is around 9:44 to 9:43. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'm planning to take my exit once it goes up by 5 to 6 points. So I am trading according to my unique study and the strategy, and as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators. So my trading strategy and setup is very simple and very straightforward strategies. And once you join us, I'll be guiding you all these things about stock selection and how to make accurate and good entries like this in intraday trading. Okay, so now let's see how the stock will perform. And once it goes like 5 to 6 points from here, so let's say once it touches 1566 or 1565, I'll just plan to take my exit somewhere over there. So currently it's still around 1561 levels. So let's wait for this to give a breakout and let's wait for the stock to go up. Okay. So once I take my exit, I'll show you the end of the day chart, and also I'll show you a little bit of a brief analysis as well. Okay. So once you join us, I'll be teaching you the strategy and everything in detail. Okay. So let's see how the stock will perform now. So guys, yes, I was able to book this profit within like 10 minutes of the trade. Okay, and I'll just quickly show you like how it has performed today. So this is the today's chart of Havels. So as you guys can see, the stock has gone up till almost 1578 today. Okay, so we somewhere bought it around 157 1560 somewhere around here in the morning. Okay, so after that the stock has gone up till here, that is 1578. Okay, so you can see how the buyers were bullish on the stock today, and the stock has gone up till here, so we bought somewhere around here in the morning. Okay, so by following my discipline, I took my exit at 5 points target, which has met somewhere over here within a fraction of minutes once I took the trade. Okay, so somewhere over here I have taken my exit by booking 5 points of a target, and later if you see the stock continued to go up, but I always follow my target, stop loss, and I stick to my strategy and condition. So this is a trade what I did based on my study and the strategy. And also you can see here we have traded here without any indicators. Okay, so if you guys want to get all this knowledge of making consistent profit in intraday trading and also to get personal live market support from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. And once you join us, I'll be guiding you all these things about stock selection and how to make a proper entry, exit, and everything. Okay, so you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. So this is a quick trade what I did today, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.